someday.
We the scientists are being ignored and it needs to stop. We're about to lose everything.
Please listen to us. Climate change is real. We're heading towards a complete disaster. Humans must change their ways and act as soon as possible.
Ha? Ano ba to? Ang nonsense naman. Hindi ko nga nararamdaman yung climate change na sinasabi nila. Mga okay. Makatulog na nga.
Breaking news. Multiple disasters are currently happening due to climate change. The reports of forest fires are continuously increasing since the start of 2024. Reports of multiple people being removed from their homes due to floods because of the continuous practice of deforestation.
Climate change is an ongoing phenomenon that has been a result of increased human activity over the years, and now we are experiencing its deadly effects. El Nino exacerbates endangering the agricultural sector to produce low harvest starting this year, which might lead to world hunger. But to take preemptive actions, now it is too late. This is the product of not taking care of the environment.
Panaginip ng kaya yun? Parang totoo. Ganun na ba ang mangyayari sa kalikasan pag tuluyan ng pinabayaan? Tuluyan na bang guguho ang mundo dahil sa climate change?